Out of the rainy forest, the hunter comes a-going, saying he's the closest, but to it he's a fool. All he ever cares for is a heart so warm. He doesn't speak the language, blinded by the light of noon. In that very forest, he comes a-going, knowing he's the closest, and the forest knows it true. His coat is dark and hardened, his legs are long, and in the rains of November he walks without light of the moon. He sees the things you don't. He knows about the language you don't. While you grew sheltered in your homes, he's out there sleeping in the snow. Even when you're in the freezing, beneath the jacket feeling bold, know that he's out there, easing through the snow. Even when the winds are blowing